Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reduce lags within your game on the Call of Duty mobile. So let's get started right away. Now first of all, open up the Call of Duty game on your device and log into your account if you haven't done so already. After logging into your account, you will be able to choose any game that you wish to play. After choosing your desired game mode, you can go ahead and start your game and you can start enjoying it right away. But if you notice several lags within your game that doesn't really allow you to enjoy the game smoothly, then there are a few things that you will need to check and make sure. The first thing to check is to make sure that your internet connection is smooth enough and the ping is not very high. If the ping is not high and your internet connection is okay, then the next thing that you will need to do in order to reduce lags is to reduce the graphic quality and the frame rate within your game. In order to do this, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner alongside your map within the game and then tap on settings. From the settings menu, you will find the audio and graphic settings. Tap on this and now you can choose from various different options of graphic. If you are experiencing very slow and laggy gameplay, then you can choose the medium or the low option for graphic quality. After this, you can also try reducing the frame rate, and from the effects tab, you can try deactivating a few of these settings in order to reduce the strain that is put on your hardware. Once all of your settings have been changed, you will need to restart the game for it to completely take effect. But once you restart your game, your performance will be much better now. And there you have it. That is how you can go about in reducing lags on the Call of Duty game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.